In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Manychat in just 5 minutes. Manychat is a popular platform for automating your messaging apps and managing subscribers effortlessly. Whether you're running a business or engaging with your audience, keeping a record of your contacts is crucial. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow for exporting contacts. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. You can do this by going to app.manychat.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to sign in on the home page. Click on sign in and enter your credentials. This will take you to your Manychat dashboard, granting you access to all of your settings and contacts. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Manychat homepage. From this dashboard, you want to move towards the Home tab on your navigation panel. This tab is essential as it consolidates all your activities and is the starting point to managing your subscribers effectively. Now that you're on the Home tab, locate and click on the Contacts section. This step is straightforward yet crucial because this is where all your subscriber information is stored. The Contacts section houses the details you need to export, so it's vital to ensure you're in the right place. After you've entered the Contacts section, you need to select the specific contact or contacts you intend to export. This step gives you control over which data points you want to focus on. You can choose a single contact, a group, or all contacts depending on your needs. Having this flexibility allows you to export only the relevant data for your current purposes. With your contacts selected, the next step is to find and click on bulk actions. This feature facilitates multiple actions on the contacts you've highlighted, streamlining the process and saving you valuable time. The final step in exporting your contacts is to click on Export Custom to System field. This feature will initiate a download of your contact data. The export process takes your selected information and prepares it in a format that's easy to manage or upload into other systems or tools, and that's it. You've successfully exported your Manychat contacts with just a few clicks. Make sure to save your exported file in a secure location as it contains valuable information about your audience. This process can be repeated as often as needed to keep your records up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy chatting.